Okay, and as a follow-up to the previous question, this is 12b, and we're going to do the same sort of calculation here. We need to assign our oxidation numbers. This is an element 0, minus 2. This is going to be plus 6, minus 2, plus 1. And so this one's a little bit more tricky. This needs to be a plus 4, I believe. This is going to be minus 2, and this is going to be plus 5. So you can do the algebra to sort those things out. My iodine is going from plus 5 to 0, so that's going to be the gain of electrons reduction. The iodate is my oxidizing agent, and then my sulfur is going from plus 4 to plus 6, so that's 2 electrons being transferred, but it's going from plus 2 to plus 6, so it is losing electrons, oxidizing. It's my reducing agent. Iodine goes from plus 5 to 0, so that's 5 electrons per iodine. That's 5 electrons per iodate. And I've got plus 4 going to plus 6, so that's 2 electrons per sulfur. That's 2 electrons per hydrogen sulfate ion. Lowest common multiple is 10, so I multiply this by 2 and this by 5. So I need to have 2 of these, 5 of these. If I have 2 iodines and 2 iodines, that's already balanced. If I've got 5 sulfurs, I need 5 of these. At this point, the electrons, iodines, and sulfurs are balanced. I now need to balance my charge, my oxygens, and hydrogens. This side has 2 times 3, so it's got 6 oxygens, plus another 5 times 3, so 15. So we've got 21 oxygens on this side. I have 5 times 4, so I have 20 oxygens on this side. So I'm adding 1 water to this side to get to 21 oxygens. This side has 5 hydrogens, and this side has 2 hydrogens, right? Because you've got 5 times 1, and this has got just 1 water. So then I'm going to add 3 acid particles to balance my hydrogens. That should balance them out. And at this point, I can check to make sure it all works out by checking my charge. So I've got 2 times -1 and 5 times -1. That's 7 negative on this side. I've got 5 times -2, so 10 negative, and 3 positives. So that makes this 7 negatives. So all of my atoms are balanced. All of my charges are balanced. So this is now a balanced reaction.